Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to edit your website after publishing on Wix step by step. Head to wix.com and click Login at the top right corner. Enter your account email and click Continue with Email. Then enter your password and click Login. If you only have one site, you'll land directly on your site's dashboard. If you have multiple sites, you'll see the Sites page instead. Find the website you want to edit and click Select Site on that site's card to open your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click Edit Site at the top right. The Wix editor will open in your browser. If it's your first time opening the editor, the button might say Design Site instead of Edit Site, but it does the same thing. Now you can start making your edits. To change any text, click directly on it. You can adjust fonts, sizes, colors, and add animations. To replace an image, click on it to swap it out, resize it, or add effects. If you want to add something new to your page, click Add Elements on the left side of the editor. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save at the top right. A pop-up window will appear. Click Done in that window. Saving your changes doesn't make them live yet. They're saved in the editor, but they won't show up on your website until you publish. If you want to see what your changes look like before they go live, click Preview at the top right. Your site preview will open, browse around to check everything, then click Back to Editor when you're done. When you're ready to make your changes live, click Publish at the top right. You'll see a publishing confirmation. Click Done to go back to the editor. Your changes are now live on your website. Remember, save changes, stay in the editor until you click Publish, so don't skip that step. If your changes don't show up right away after publishing, try clearing your browser cache or viewing your site in an incognito window. You can repeat this editing and publishing process as many times as you need. That's how you edit your website after publishing on Wix.